Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to enable the full screen gestures or full screen display in this device. So to enable the full screen gestures in this device means we can hide the navigation buttons from the bottom tab. Okay, let's me get into the video. Go to settings and scroll down. Here you can see the option system. Tap on this one, then tap on gestures, then tap on navigation mode. To enable the full screen gestures, then select this one, gesture navigation. When I select this one, then you can see that navigation buttons will hide it from the bottom tab. Select this one. Now you can see that is hidden. So let me show you how to use this full screen gestures. So to go to the home page, just swipe up from the bottom tab. You can see directly go to the home page. Okay, again I will show you like this. Swipe up from the bottom tab. So in case if you want to go to the back page, then swipe inwards from the left, otherwise swipe inwards from the right. Okay, to go to the recent application, swipe up from the bottom tab and hold it. Okay, again I will show you. Just swipe up from the bottom tab, directly go to the home page. To go to the recent applications, swipe up from the bottom tab and hold it. You can see recently opened applications, you can see here. To go to the back page, swipe inwards from the right side or swipe inwards from the left side. So simply in this way you can use the full screen gestures or full screen display in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.